Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Authenticator apps without losing access. Begin by selecting the Authenticator app that suits your needs. Download the app from your device's app store. Install the app and open it. Create a new account if this is your first time using the app. If you already have an account, log in with your credentials. Navigate to the security settings of the online service you wish to secure. Look for the two-factor authentication option. Choose to set up two-factor authentication. The service will display a QR code. Open your Authenticator app and select the option to add a new account. Scan the QR code displayed on the service's website. Once scanned, the Authenticator app will generate a unique code. Note down the code generated by the app. Return to the online service and enter the code to verify the setup. After verification, the online service will confirm that two-factor authentication is enabled. To ensure access, save backup codes provided by the online service. Store these codes in a secure place. If you lose access to your device, these backup codes will allow account recovery. To further secure your access, consider enabling device backup for your Authenticator app if available. Regularly review your two-factor authentication settings to ensure they're up to date. If you plan to change devices, first ensure the new device has the Authenticator app installed. Follow the same process to scan the QR codes for each account on the new device. Always verify that the codes on the new device match before removing the old device. If you ever suspect your account might be compromised, update your security settings immediately. By following these steps, you'll maintain access to your accounts without any disruptions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.